Na nababaw kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community, and that is you watching right now. For today's vlog, we would like to thank PauChie's Sweet Delight for sending us another delightful goodies for this afternoon for this vlog. And I would like to introduce them to you one by one. Might as well tikman na natin habang, I introduce them to you. So starting off from my left, this is their Sinful Choco Delight. Nasa tab po siya. So, ito yung parang mga dream cakes na nauso noon. Okay, so let me taste this. Oh yeah, I love the chocolate. So, kuha tayo ng isang spoonful of cake itself. Wow! It's an absolute Sinful Delight. From the name itself. Grabe, sarap. Isa pa. Alright, so moving on, dito sa middle natin, they have parang mga mini cheesecake. So you have a blueberry and a strawberry flavor. So let me try this strawberry. Super thick. So on top, you have your, parang strawberry jam. In the middle, your cheesecake. And then yung crust natin for the cake. Let's taste it. Wow! What I like about it, yung crust niya is not dry or stiff. Medyo hardened na yung crust niya. It's actually soft, no? And then yung cheesecake niya, it's not actually sour. And then, meron tayong isang box dito for their egg pie. This is actually 9 inches in diameter. Let's get a, maliit na cut lang din. Oh, check that out! Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh. So thick. Let's taste it. Wow! Yung pinaka egg pie natin, it's not that sweet, savory. So, hindi siya nakakaumay. Alright, another bite! So, we can move on with their brownies. Ayan, may mga brownies din po sila. What I appreciate sa PauChie's, mga delicacies natin doesn't have that really strong flavor. Parang mga flavors na just enough. Now for our banana loaf. So nagpadala po sila ng 3 banana loaf. Flavor po na walnuts, choco chips. Now, I wanna actually move on because kanina pa ako got interested with their cinnamon rolls. Who can't resist a cinnamon flavor bread, diba? Ang bango ng cinnamon. And yeah, these are actually available here. Very perfect for an afternoon with a coffee or a hot chocolate drink. Super. One more bite, please. Sarap! I wanna taste yung kanilang banana loaf. This time, I wanna taste yung with chocolate chip and walnuts. Oh yeah, this is the chocolate chip with walnuts. Whoa! Yeah, let me show it to you guys before I, take a bite. Alright, so this is it. Banana loaf. Wow, not so crunchy. Yung banana bread natin, it's so full of banana flavor. One more bite. Sarap! Wow! Actually, that's one heck of a, merienda or a snack for me. I'm gonna go down and grab a cup of coffee because ang sarap ternohan talaga nito, guys. Pero if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends and make sure to check out PauChie's Sweet Delight page as well so that we can give them a hug, a share, or a like sa kanilang page just for being generous to us dito sa vlog natin for today. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Until then, please stay home, stay safe, and God bless us all. Peace! Bye-bye!